Today, I found myself at Kalu Pandey Samadhi Hill, a place where history meets the heaven. Hi everyone, I'm Rupa. Welcome to another journey. Kalu Pandey Samadhi Hill, also known as Kalu Pandey Memorial Hill, is a significant historical and scenic site located in Dahachok on the western outskirts of Kathmandu Valley. Kalu Pandey was a Nepalese politician and general. He was born at Gorkha district on 1713 AD and he killed in the First Battle of Kirtipur in 1757 AD during the annexion of Kathmandu Valley. The clouds rolled in, and giant rain kissed the earth as I arrived. I first took shelter and soaked in calm. When the rain stopped, I continued my walk. The path led me to the Dahachok view tower, and what I saw was magical. The Kathmandu Valley stretched endlessly beneath me, bathed in golden light. With a heart full of peace, I make my way back home. I hope this video inspires you to explore the hidden beauty around you. Until next time, stay curious, stay kind. Goodbye.